Hi there, welcome back. Well, today we're gonna do it. We're gonna work on the Ferrari. What we're gonna do today, or what I have planned, is I told you the bumper will be fixed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna straighten it a little bit out for as good as possible. Put the grill back on, put the lights back on, because well, it's not going to be changed until the car is at the painter. So we better can put it all back together. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna sort the box out, see what we have to do, because all that's left is these 3 boxes, and then she can go back to Gus to get the engine back in. It really should have been finished by now, and well, never mind, let's get started.
I'm so sorry guys, I thought it was a good idea to put an extra light in here, but somehow it doesn't work.
Well guys, the bumper is now stuck on it, and especially now you can see how big the gap is. And here and here, there's no gap. So pretty annoying. Next step is wait, I'm gonna turn you around. I said this is not working. Now we're gonna install the grill, and if you look closely you can probably see that the grill is dirty. Yeah, I know I should have cleaned it, but I'm going to clean it. But I think I also need to polish it, but I'm gonna do that on a later stage. It's easy to put it in and easy to get it out. Little mistake, another mistake. These are the 2 brackets. One, I'm forgetting that, over here, and one over here that hold the grill in place. And these are mounted here and here. And when you fix those 4, there you are. If you fix those 4 screws or bolts, then the grill is on its place. You will probably see, but I'm gonna show you that after we install the grill, that we have a small issue because of this bumper, but I have a solution. And here, laying on the floor, 10 o'clock in the evening. Well, as you can see, the grill fits perfectly. That's a good thing. But you can also see that there's a little gap right here. In the European version, this grill piece should have walked until around here. Can you see it? Yes. And well, due to the US bumper that has a little block over here, this is not the case. Now I can't change the grill, but there's something else I want with this car. I want 2 over here. Oh, I'm gonna stand up because it's cold on the floor. I want 2 hella lights. You know, the rally stagey thingy lights. I think that would look sick on this car. It's a personal touch. You can remove it if you don't want it anymore. But look at this. This is a little bit strange. And from this angle, the bumper seems okay. But lucky for me, I don't think, even if I can drive the car and it is not fixed yet, it looks good. But there's another thing. I'm jumping from the one side to the other side. Maybe you guys have some experience in this. You see this? It's another paint chip. And I think that these paint chips are way too easy. Imagine driving this car 150, 140 kilometers an hour. What would it look like after a year? So that's another thing we have to discuss, I think. Nevertheless, it's going to be painted, so it's okay. But so that's my plan. So I want 2 of those hella lights, on the rally lights, but the only ones I could find at this moment on the internet were the big ones, and I want the small ones because they don't have to be like out there. I want small ones like this. I think 5 centimeters big, maybe 10 wide. So if you know any of them for sale, preferably with the hella thingy on it, the cap, I think that would look very nice. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. So if you know one for sale, or 2 of course, then let me know. I want them really bad. Okay, well, job number 1 is done. What I'm gonna do now, I told you about the time, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'm gonna snap my finger in a few seconds, and then it's tomorrow, and then we're gonna work again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install the horns, and we're gonna install the you weren't looking, or we are going to install the windscreen wipers. Very important, we need them, and we're gonna install that. Wait, another plan. I'm gonna snap my fingers, just not now yet, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna first install the license plate. Yeah, that's better. Now she's a proper Dutch road car, and man, our license plates are ugly. Yes, they are. Mind you, the PL is also on the Ford. That's why I like it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna now snap my finger. 1, 2, and just like that, a new day, a new dawn, a new day, a new way. What can I say? Let's get started. Let's have a look at what we have here. The windscreen wipers. Yes, they are on. Fixed, in position, no problem at all, finally. The horn is in, no problem, finally. The wiper fluid sprinkler system, or however you call that in English, it is a little problem because they are broken. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen a picture looking for 2 new ones. But I have a solution because they are in there. I could use some black kit, push them in, and they will be fixed. But it will be more beautiful to have new ones. But the strange part here is, as I continue working on the car, somehow my list expands. So many things, small things we need to do. We got some screws on the door. Some were missing. I have to find the right ones. I put screws in it, but they are not the right ones. I got a screw of the lock of the door on the driver's side. I've got a little cap on the door of the driver's side. I've got a little mantle, how you call this one in English, a little rubber thingy around the light. Also on the driver's side, door lamp. We've got the European style blinkers, but they're now stuck with tape. I have to find another solution. I already got one, but we have to do that. Roaster. Okay. This one, it's in, but the screws here, we can tighten them unless the headlight is down. So we have to wait until the headlight is down and then do this. Then we got the my handwriting, I think I'm a doctor. I'm gonna the lamps on the front. I talked to you 10 minutes ago. And the steering we have to change, and we still got a leaking brake caliper on the left rear, I think. Yes, left rear. So, what else do we got? We got, well, we're working now, we're gonna work on the air conditioning unit, the condenser. But the new one is a different size, so I have to puzzle it out. Then we still got to do some painting on some parts that need to go to Guus. We had to finish the exhaust, and there's a little piece that needs a little bit of exhaust. I'm stuttering. Fire gum. It's not on there because I put it together, but I didn't finish it. We got 2 boxes left. One box is the parts I don't need anymore. And the other box is the trunk interior, but we're not gonna put that one in. We're gonna do that after the car is completely finished. Then we got here some parts left, like the door trims. Need to polish them and get them in, and of course the rear grille thingies, plates. But we can't do that until the painter has done his job. And probably we're gonna damage it again, and they're gonna back to the painter now. Okay. And all what's left then is the lowest box over there. I'm not bothering getting it for you, but that box has the radio in it. We're gonna make how do you call it? A little cabinet of it, where you can put the phone with your road directions and to charge it maybe, and then maybe sooner, but I think a video or two from now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hook on the battery and see what happens, test, and if it works or not, I don't know. Oh, we still got, oh man, the list is so big. It's also on the list over on the board. We need to do this one. Where is it? Can you see it? Yes. This is the little stacker to make the new blower I put in there work. And list is bigger and bigger. Of course, we have the self-made part. And that one needs to be printed by a professional printer to make sure it is in ABS. Because now it's in PLA, and PLA sucks when it comes outdoor, and when it's heated it will shrink, melt, because 60 degrees is the melting point of PLA, and 200 degrees I think is the melting point of ABS. So we need to put an ABS part in there. Well, you might think we're almost done, but we're not. You know what, guys? It's been a long video for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, help me out here. I really like to hit the 500 or the 1000 subscribers. We only have 300 and something. It's too low. Come on. This is fun. Let's do this together. Spread the word. And thank you. Goodbye.